In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format pie charts in Looker Studio. Whether you're a total newbie or have dabbled in data visualization before, crafting a clean and effective pie chart is crucial for conveying information clearly. So let's dive into Looker Studio and unlock the creative ways to present your data. To get started, you'll first need to go to Looker Studio. In your project, you'll want to add a chart and select the dimension and metric you plan to use in the Setup tab. This is where the bones of your pie chart are made. Once you've got your data pieces in place, head over to the Style tab, which is where you can really start to make this visual your own. Now, you might want to explore the general formatting options available in the Style tab. The first decision you'll face is choosing the type of chart you want. Looker Studio conveniently allows you to pick between a classic pie chart and a trendy donut chart. All you have to do is head back to the Setup tab and select the drop-down arrow to make your choice. For donut charts, you'll have the option to adjust the size of the donut hole using a handy slider and also decide just how many slices you'd like the chart to feature. If your dataset includes smaller slices that clutter the chart, consider using the Grouped Values option. It's a neat feature to pool minor slices into an Others category for better readability. Next, moving on to colors, which play a significant role in making your chart both readable and attractive. You've got a few paths here. Choose one uniform color for all slices, opt to variably color slices according to their dimension values, or manually assign colors using the Slice Order feature. This is crucial for making certain data segments stand out or keeping a consistent color story throughout your presentation. When it comes to labels, take time to adjust text colors, styles, and sizes. It's important to customize what information the labels show, whether it be percentage, values, or other attributes. A clear legend can also be pivotal, so tweak the legend's color and position it comfortably on your chart. You can even enhance your chart by giving it a title and formatting it to suit your desired style, a small touch that adds a lot of professional polish. Lastly, let's not forget the background and border. Use the Style tab to set these elements to your liking, ensuring they complement the overall design without overpowering the data. Consider the Filter feature. It's a valuable tool that allows you to narrow down your dataset for more focused storytelling. And there you have it, a delightful journey into shaping and styling your pie charts in Looker Studio. Hope you found these tips helpful as you bring your data narrative to life.